Sorry, dear friends, for cutting off the live video. The battery went down, but now we are back. We are equipped. We are live and direct, reporting all the way from Union Building. This is the Aso Rock of South Africa. We are here and direct, and Chukwu Kabiama is in charge. Our people are eager to meet the Jibril, and our doctor is here set to take his DNA so that we determine. I want to prove to the whole world and to South Africans that the man in Aso Rock is an impostor. His name is Jibril from Sudan. He was employed to impersonate Buhari, who died in 2017. So our people, we are live again, we are back again. When we tell you that this flag, Biafra Wahana Ajomo, Waiba Brunishimbo, and the South African police in go there, and I own the Nigeria, and I very own shall and the Nigeria. Camera Mahage, quick I ban a hall. Mananda na achọ even immediately I kwuru na Nigeria and that na achọ ayu kweru ala. But now immediately I na amia flag onye olenya 10 years. As some of you must have witnessed from the earlier live video, we are still here. We are not going anywhere. We have told South African police that if they want to take us out from here, they should kill us. We are not going out from here. We have divided ourselves in 4 groups. This is one of the groups. The other 3 groups are standing every entrance and exit of this Union Building to make sure that Jibril did not escape. We must arrest him today and hand him over to South African police to take proper DNA test to determine and clarify what we have been telling the world. My friends, stay tuned. Keep watching. We are not going anywhere today. This is our coordinator coordinating us today right here in Pretoria. We have said it that we are not going anywhere. You can see all these people, they are all parliamentarians, they are all working in Union Building. They are South Africans. For the first time, most of them are saying they didn't know that these things are happening in South Africa. I mean, there are these things, kind of things, the killings that is happening in the zoo. Most of them didn't know about it, but today they know, and most of them are surprised, and they are saying we should keep on keeping on. You remember, South Africa is the champion of freedom, so Biafran case will not be different. That is why they are keeping quiet and allowing us to carry on with what we are doing peacefully. But I can assure Biafrans all over the world, the person we are looking for is in this building. We know that they are already planning how to sneak him out from the back building, but we are surrounding the 4 corners, the 4 entry and the 4 exits of this Union Building. We make sure that Jibril will not escape. Stay tuned, Biafrans all over the world, all lovers of freedom. Stay tuned as we keep waiting. We are not leaving this building till we arrest Jibril. Stay tuned. This is Mazi Mwabeze reporting from the Union Building, Pretoria, South Africa. These are Biafrans, fearless individuals. We fear no human beings. Once you have this flag on you, Biafra wanting to Biafra wanting to no. Biafra wanting to Biafra wanting to one family. IPOB.
That it is high time they start giving us asylum as Biafrans and not as Nigerians, because we are not Nigerians.
Yes.
We have applied for that and we have not gotten any response or any positive response. We need asylum as Biafrans. We ran to this country the same way Mandela ran to Nigeria.
Biafra land.
Biafra land. He ran to Biafra land. We know the asylum. Mandela was given an asylum in Nigeria. He was protected in Nigeria. And we are the people that see that he was protected in Nigeria. It's Biafrans who see that he's protected in Nigeria. The place Nigeria, Mandela was sleeping during the time he was in Nigeria is in Biafran land. Yes.
Correct.
The best friends of Mandela when he was alive are the Biafrans.
Yes.
No wonder Mandela shed tears when he saw the maltreatment that the Nigerian government have meted upon the Biafran citizens. He shed tears and said that they are not doing the right thing. So now what we are trying to say is this. We are refugees in this country because they are killing us in our land in millions. No freedom of expression in Nigeria. We can't do what we are doing here now in Nigeria freely. By now we've been all dead.
Yes, I told you before. Truth be told.
But you can see that South African government is a lawful country, and they practice democracy, freedom of speech, freedom of expression. And that was why you can see us, we are still here protesting, even though we are not scared of death. We don't care. Before we come here, we have already decided to die.
We are all dead already.
So what we are saying here is this. South African government should try or endeavor to make sure that they grant us asylum sticker and support us in our freedom fighting so that we can be free in this country. The same way like Mandela was free when he was in Biafra land. All of us here, most of us here, ran away because they were killing our parents. They wanted to come after us. We don't have any other way to run to. We run to our brothers here, South Africans, believing that they will protect us. So we demand also that they should give us asylum in the name of Biafra, not in the name of Nigeria, because we are not Nigerians.
We are not.
Yes. Yes. So this message should be passed to President Cyril Ramaphosa of South Africa to please do something about it, to protect us while we are here in his custody or in his country. He should please, we are pleading, grant us refugee status here so that we can be free here, not as Nigerians. As you can see, Nigerians has been committing crime here in this country. And they have
South Africa know it.
All Nigerians without knowing that all around the people here are not Nigerians. The people who are committing the crime here are the Nigerians. So we want to separate ourselves from the Nigerians so that people will know that it is not Nigeria, it's not Biafrans that are committing the crimes, but Nigerians are the ones committing the crimes here in South Africa. We are Biafrans, we are on the right side of the law. We are the law-abiding citizens. You can see all of us here, we are not armed. We come here peacefully to let the South Africans know that they have been deceived. That the people who come, that the person who come here is not President Mohamed Buhari. I think South African government need to say thank you to us for what we are doing today. Yes. Because it's an eye-opener.
Yes.
We come here to let them know what has gone wrong.
Yes.
Because most of them don't know.
Yes.
President Cyril Ramaphosa might not know that the person he is sitting with right now is not President Mohamed Buhari.
They know.
But an imposter from Sudan. So we are trying to let you guys know that that imposter there should be arrested,
Yes.
a DNA test should be conducted
Yes.
to prove if we are saying the truth or not. Because that man there is not President Muhammad Buhari.
Yes.
Buhari died 2017.
It's a simple thing to do. DNA is a simple thing to do.
Yes.
Bring in a doctor, an international doctor, to do the DNA test. We have to bring our own doctor. You bring in a South African doctor. They bring their zoo, because Nigeria is a zoo. They bring their zoo doctor.
Confirmation.
UN can bring their
Animal Kingdom.
Then they can conduct a DNA test. If the test is proven by those doctors that the person there is Muhammad Buhari, we will forget about fighting for Biafran freedom.
Yes.
That's what we are saying.
Yes.
We come here to tell South African government the right thing to do. Because I believe they don't know that the person sitting there is not Muhammad Buhari.
So.
It's an impostor from Jubril, from Sudan.
Yeah.
Jubril from Sudan. The DNA test should be conducted.
A president that value and cow. More than one life.
Yes.
He's a cow president.
He's a cow president. He's a cow president.
No, let's not
Check the
other side. He's not the president.
He's a cow. Check the
Biafrans has the right to exercise self-determination according to the UN Charter, Article 1, and international law and practice. Wonderful. Biafrans are everywhere. We are happy that we are here. We are trying to open the eyes of the South Africans. One family. IPOB.
Yes.
He cannot do it. He's an impostor.
Yes! That's how he cannot do it. That's how it's done. Yes!
Come and talk to the people.
If you have the conscience,
Say that the father, come and talk to your
why
son.
don't you, have you ever seen a country where president goes to visit and his own citizens? We've got Super Eagles. When you see Super Eagles come to play the football, we go to stadium. We clap for them because we know. Now, a whole president of Nigeria come here, he cannot even wave for his citizens. What kind of a president is that? If he is the president, come and talk, just a wave of hand.
He's a criminal.
But because he knows he's not the president.
He's a criminal.
And he says he's a corruption fighter.
I am
He's fighting corruption.
He's full of corruption.
Corruption himself.
Even the president is a criminal. He's a criminal.
We are here not because we need them to
He's an impostor.
and we don't have any violence.
IPOB.
One family.
IPOB.
One family.
I want to ask South Africans this question. The local language of the late Muhammad Buhari is Fufude.
Yes.
Fufude language. Is there any kind of surgery that you will conduct on a Zulu man that he will all of a sudden come out and stop all of a sudden he will stop
Speaking Zulu. Impossible.
Impossible. Speak Fufude. He's a criminal. That's why you know he's an imposter.
Yes.
He cannot speak his mother's tongue. This new Buhari.
Tell him to remove his cap
Buhari cannot speak his
to
mother's
know if that is Buhari head.
And now the late Buhari doesn't joke. The late Buhari doesn't joke with Fufude. The late Buhari, just like Cyril Ramaphosa, whenever he's addressing South Africans, he always speaks his mother's tongue to complement his speech. This one, immediately they do the interchange exchange and bring this imposter. Fufude ran away. He no more speak him.
No more language. He forgot his language.
No, because of the surgery. Is there any kind of surgery that will be conducted on somebody who will forget his mother's tongue?
No.
This one is not picking his mother's tongue.
Let him remove his cap. You see that it's not Buhari.
He can speak English.
We can see DSS are running away from us. They cannot come close. They can only kill people in Nigeria, not in South Africa. They can watch and see how police behaves. Those of you DSS, Nigerian police, Zoo police that is watching us live, you can see the conduct of the South African police. You should learn how to work as a policeman.
He should come out and address us.
How can they learn when they are Zoo? And DSS is around here perambulating. This is not Nigeria, where you can come out and shoot. This is South Africa, free South Africa. This is where we are.
Fuck me. Let him come out and talk to us. It's a motherfucker. Fuck DSS, fuck Jubilee, the imposter. AKA Buhari, the imposter.
Because we are not going today.
We finish them, and then they must not push us to go to war.
Think I'm scared to die? Man died for once. He died God. The only solution, we have to go to war.
Yes.
War. This country, South Africa. They fought war. They were killing them. They were fighting. And that is how we Biafra will fight until
we get Biafra. Yes.
Onya, I actually do a hotel. Onya, I would have had up now. So I change the plan. DSS ajuru ebe ajiwa yo na amepushi.
Chere kodi. Chere. Kai gari ime. Mo kan no hero we kan o bulu a. O so mila ya na onya awala. Na ga wana mero cho he ko kan ya na. Na ela ya bote card president so ya so no wala.
Afu me.
Mo so card esi ya ko no.
Also come na agba Jubilee must run. He cannot face IPOB.
He's running away.
He cannot run. He cannot escape IPOB in South Africa.
He can run, but he can never hide. On this planet Earth, he can never hide. You can run.
What happened?
Oh, yeah, bye. Man, oh, yeah, Nigeria. This is the Nigeria.
Okay, South Africans are shooting us. South African police are shooting us. South African police are shooting us. South African police are shooting at us. You can hear it, you can see it now clearly.
You can see clearly.
They are shooting at us. As you can see it. As you can see it. As one wawa gashike. You can see the word, you can see it clearly. South African police are shooting us. They are shooting at us with tear gas. They are shooting at us. Let me see. South African police are shooting at us. This is one of our brothers. He's down. He's down. One of our brothers is down. I'm surprised South African police are reacting very badly, shooting at our people. Sorry. Relax, yeah. Relax, yeah. South African police are shooting at us. One guy up on up Tiagas neighbor. Brother. One neighbor. One then you go there.
Hey, that's right there, guys. Yeah, yes. Hey.
If they want to arrest us, it's a peaceful, it's right now. Let them arrest us. Leave the gun, just arrest us.
Our people are down. South African police are shooting tear gas on our people. Our man is down. They are shooting at one. They are shooting at our people.